after about 2.5 months hanging out in the desert outside of Yuma, Arizona, bouncing back and forth all over southwestern Arizona, it's getting too hot. So we're headed east, try to make it to White Sands, try to get on base there for the weekend, then keep moving east after that, get all the way to Florida, spend some time over in Florida, check the schedule for the launch, see what's going on over Cape Canaveral. It'll be time to head north to Indiana again, catch my nephew's wedding. But until then, I got a lot of driving. Ooh, boy. A lot of driving.
Hello, my beautiful sweet girl. I have not held you in so long. Hello, my silent little love. Just too shy to fly on down. Or do you hide yourself away? Why don't you let yourself come out? Hello, my precious little love. Your eyes are like a pair of jewels. You act as bright as all the stars, and all the sunlight I have seen. Or do you shy away from it all? Why don't you let yourself come out?
So I was trying to time it to make sure I would get to the gas station before I ran out of gas. And this was saying how many more miles I could go before I ran out of gas. But now it just says low. It doesn't tell me how many more miles I have left to go. And I still have 27 minutes and 32 miles. So, whoops. So 4 more miles to go to get to this gas station to get some more diesel.
2 miles. Take exit 132 toward airport.
With 4 more miles to go to get to the gas station to get some more diesel. I passed a sign that said, "Do not pick up hitchhikers," because we're near the prison. So if I run out of diesel before I get to the gas station, yeah. Alright, so since I made it, I'm in the truck lanes. I'm able to fill up my diesel here because I've got a TDS fuel card. This works pretty good. It should save me about 20-25 cents per gallon. So I'm guessing I'll probably save about $2-3 bucks. We'll see. So with that TDS card, I think I saved 33 cents per gallon here at Love's. Now Love's tends to cost more, but I saved about 33 cents per gallon. Put in about 36.5 gallons. So that's what, 12? It's like $12 I saved. And now my truck says I have 586 miles I can go before I run out of fuel again. So I made it. Woo.
So help me 'cause I'm falling deeper over time. Help me 'cause these hearts beat so loud. And give it up to me. Let your love pour out, and I will give you all this love I feel. And help me 'cause you're falling deeper in my arms. Help me 'cause this never felt so real. And give it up to me, and let your love pour out, and I will give you all this love I feel. Treasure chest of gold. Your smile, it shines just like a fire. And everything I feel is real. It's just a beating in my heart. So I'm waiting for you now. Why don't you come into the light? Everyone I've seen all day can never matter like you do. can't stop driving to my door. I can't forget your precious smiles. I can't ignore your beauty now. So help me, 'cause I'm falling deeper over time. Help me as these hearts beat so loud. Give it up to me and let your love pour out, and I will give you all this love I feel. Help me as you're falling deeper in my arms. Help me, 'cause this never felt so real. Give it up to me and let your love pour out, and I will give you all this love I feel.
First time I was here was about 24 years ago. Still the same, lots of sand. There's some pretty views though.
Things out there for you. She says that every time I see you, I know you wish for more. And don't you waste your life away.
Some of the sand is so compacted. One of the great things about being a veteran, get on these military bases. Every military base you go to always has cool things to see. Huh? Look at that.
Don't you think it's time that you be leaving this old town? Can't you see it's time you be going anywhere? Anywhere you know but this old town. I said, what's wrong with this so small town? And what is so damn wrong about this place? 'Cause everyone I know has got a smile on, and every face I see has got a name. I'd rather be somebody